Zoha, what are the rational and logical point of view? Why do you say that ki offline study is better than online?
Offline study is more better than online.
Give some
Because-
actually advantages.
Yes, sir. Because offline study is a you have in front of your teacher, and teacher shape your future, and your doubt is clearance.
Yeah.
But when you online study, you saw a screen and then study, and suddenly doubt comes to your mind. You can never answer the question on screen. But when you study in online, when your doubt come your mind, you raise your hand and ask the question.
Because why people are saying that you should avoid using mobile more? Many teacher, many actually.
Sir, I think this is a problem of the
people ki you should avoid. Only you emergency time you can use, just like Corona time. If you have call emergency, now you can call. But if you are using every time, so more chances you can become addicted of using mobile. Even also your mind distracted badly by the mobile. You start watching some horror video as well as some reel, even also
Yes, sir.
some unwanted unnecessary things you start watching. Why? Because you become addicted. People actually, student या children, they are not watching, they are not studying in the mobile. Whenever they get mobile, they start playing the game. Whenever they get mobile, they start right now using Instagram, many activities. So this time, people, students, children, they are actually killing their time badly in the mobile. This is the dark side of the mobile. How will you clarify? This is the debate. Debate means fighting. Here, fighting of your knowledge, fighting of your skill, fighting of your talent, fighting of your intelligence, your wisdom. Ki how much are you intelligent, how much are you perspicacious, sagacious, intelligent, talented, brilliant. This is actually debate. So in this debate you have to beat, you have to compete, you have to compete, surpass one by one. If you have power to beat, to kill, not kill, to beat, to surpass, because this is competitive world, racing world, surpassing world. In this world, in this universe, you must have beat, you must beat 1,000 people, 100 people. If you have energy, then you can win the debate. Win the
Debate.
do or die, do or die. You can never ever lose the debate. You can die, but you can't. This is the debate. Debate means bickering. Debate means bickering on the topic. So guys, tell me, are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Are you ready?
Yes,
So
sir.
one by one, you have to put your rational, logical understanding point. Whatever you have elaborate, comprehensive preparation, you try to elaborate in a jovial, hilarious mood. Then you can beat, you can compete, you can become champion, right? Are you getting? So ladies and gentlemen, here our motive, our great motive purpose, just I want to develop myself, I want to impress, we want to develop, we want to impress, impact, even also we want to learn, we want to sharpen, polish ourselves. That is why we are going for debate. For by this activity, really I can boost, I can enhance our power, communication skill, even also we can conquer, we can win, we can overcome what kind of problem, hesitation, barriers, crisis coming in our path while speaking, debating, while talking, connecting, coming, facing people. Everything we can conquer, we can overcome, we can control by debating. So whatever you have energy, whatever you have power in your heart, you try to elaborate. All right, ready? Ready?
Yes, sir.
Tell me guys loudly, are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Do you want to win the debate?
Yes, sir.
Do you want to beat the debate?
Yes, sir.
Do you want to perform here?
Yes, sir.
Do you want to develop here?
Yes, sir.
Do you want to beat them?
Yes, sir.
Yes, ready. Your debate topic is that online study versus offline study. Which study is more powerful, more effective, attractive, useful, more influencer, more impacted? By the way, both study are useful, good advantages. But this is the debate. So debate means you have to take favor. You have to take favor. If your topic is that online, offline study is better than online, then you try to explain what is the skill, advantages and beauty of the offline classes. This is offline classes. This is offline means practical classes, actual classes, real classes where we can connect, we can face, where we can talk, we can learn face to face. Practically, this is the environment of offline study. Offline means we are learning this environment, this mahol, not that only teacher, not that only student. Everything we are learning, we are exploring completely here. This is offline study. Offline
Study.
So really this time everyone want like offline classes. That is why if your topic online. All right. Now you can give a actually dark side of the online. Why what kind of problem actually we are facing if you are selected offline. If I take favor of online, then you can say that really this time online classes available. There are many famous teachers, they are liking, they are promoting, they are wanting, they are supporting online classes. Why? Because online classes, this is the universal classes, this is the universal global classes. All right, we can teach with the help of online 1,000 million billion of students. We can teach. So really this is the global universe, global study. We can study by America, by an Indian, American, even Delhi, Mumbai. Each and every teacher we can learn. This is the impact of online study. Online, you cannot do blackmail. Actually, you try to put your rational point. Online study. Online study is the updated and modern version of the offline study. Offline, we can learn a lot in offline study, but in online study also we can be more stronger, more powerful. Already I have mentioned once ki offline study, this is our normal food, but online study actually this is the fruit and dry fruit which can make us more powerful, strong. All right, Said, what's your topic?
Some example.
What's your-
Some example you are
I give you online.
offline class.
Offline, I give you example.
Yes, sir.
Example means you can put here some example. Actually practical knowledge can be learnt, can be observed, can be explored with the help of offline classes. Offline, student, children, they can never ever they can learn online classes. No, because we all are going to school, we all are joining the coaching center, right? Since childhood. Because offline study, this is real study. Because whenever you sit, you study here, you are under the teacher, you are guideline the teacher. If you make mistake, just your teacher can rectify, reform whatever mistake you made. So teacher is noticing your all activity, your all point, whatever you are making here. So proper upbringing, proper nurturing, proper bring up, teacher providing you in offline classes. All right, not that only study, as well as your behavior, your character, your way of addressing, communication, everything can be made brilliant, good in offline study, not that online study. In a timing up.
Hi friend and respected sir, who is standing before you, I would like to tell myself. This is Muhammad Shahid. It's a debate class today and our topic is which classes is better for us. And my topic is offline classes is better than online classes.
All right.
So why am I saying that offline classes is better than online classes? So I am
Listen carefully,
study
right?
in a Madrasatul Islah. So everyone know that about that school and what's happening there. If we are joining online classes, we have a money and we have a mobile. So
Listen, ध्यान से सुनना
I
है,
am a
बात को
belong
answer
to
भी
poor
करना है आपको।
family because everyone know that what is the poverty
Everyone
rate of
knows.
everyone knows that what is the poverty rate of our India. Also that is increasing day by day. So they haven't a mobile. So how will they study in that condition? How will they study? So if
Shayad you should know that ki this time everyone has mobile. I think that majority.
Have.
Then how has everyone has, right? Then how can you say that ki we are under the below the poverty actually? You know, I think that family they have this time many students they have not mobile but their family they have phone. All right, very good. हाँ आगे चलिए.
so how will they study and what's happening in Madrasatul Islah? Because if I haven't money, if I will say that sir I haven't money but I wanna study this school, so you will give a request again, so then they can take a admission on this school. So if you are not getting this type facility of online classes and I am giving one
Well, today's debate session, and in this debate session you have 2 points, and the name of the points online study versus offline study. My dear brother and sister, do you know, if you want to achieve anything and if you want to get knowledge, then I think both are important for you. It doesn't matter where do you learn. And my dear brother, as you know, many students have passed the NEET, JEE and many more tough examination by the online study. And my dear brother,
चल रहा है
and Shahid brother said if you have money then you can join the online study. I think this is wrong, because also our Hafiz sir is uploading their video on the YouTube channel, and there you can teach English very easily, and there is a Hafiz sir no want money on the YouTube, but you come here then Hafiz sir want to fees.
Alright, very good. Syed,
So,
you tell
I
me.
wanna
Sit
say
down,
that,
sit down, sit.
sir, I am
sit.
comfortable.
No, sit down. You comfortable.
I think my
Are you going
If
to
you wanna say
leave
that
it?
Hafiz sir also uploading some video on YouTube, you wanna say that.
Yeah.
So I haven't mobile. So how will I study on
this is
online classes?
mobile. Every person have a mobile.
Every person have a mobile, doesn't matter. I haven't mobile, so how will study on?
Also you have a mobile. How can you say that? Also you have a
Because I haven't mobile, because this is not my mobile.
Okay, brother. Also in your family, your father, your mother, your brother, your sister have
Because this,
Syed, you have to tell actually कि how offline study is better than online study. Alright? If you are saying that कि offline study is good, then how is offline study is better than online? Please give me some logical and rational point. How is offline study? हम ब्लैकमेल नहीं करना कि मेरे सबके पास है, मेरे पास नहीं मोबाइल, राइट? मान के चलिए कि 80% लोगों के पास है, 100 लोगों के पास है. डिबेट मीन्स ब्लैकमेल नहीं, आपको रेशनल पॉइंट रखना है. आप बताइए किस बेसिस पे आप कह रहे हो कि ऑफलाइन स्टडी इज़ बेटर देन ऑनलाइन स्टडी. यू हैव टू से बिकॉज माइक ऊपर करिए.
sir, we
हाँ.
can blackmail
चलिए हाँ बताइए.
on the
व्हाट्स योर पॉइंट. कुछ लॉजिकल बातें कहिए. ये बातें नहीं आपकी सही रहेगी कि मेरे पास नहीं सबके पास है कि क्या रहेगा. इस वजह से मैं कह रहा हूँ कि ऑनलाइन स्टडी नहीं कर सकते. नहीं, इट डिबेट मीन्स एक्चुअली आप अपना नहीं, मतलब आपको पूरा डेटा देखना पड़ेगा ना.
offline
क्या
class.
क्वालिटी आपको ऑफलाइन में मिल रही है, क्वालिटी ऑनलाइन में नहीं मिल रही है. व्हाट काइंड ऑफ क्वालिटी स्किल एक्चुअली ना यू आर गेटिंग ऑफलाइन क्लासेस, सेम थिंग्स यू आर मिसिंग, यू आर नॉट गेटिंग ऑनलाइन क्लासेस. नाउ आई कैन ना.
If
सो टेल मी.
I am a study together,
Yeah.
so we have some knowledge our friend,
Yeah.
and I am giving some knowledge our friend. So if we are funny, सर मैं ऐसे नहीं कर पाऊँगा.
नहीं, ऐसे ही करना
लेकिन
है
सर कि
आपको
मैं-
एक्चुअली. सो यू हैव टू पुट रेशनल पॉइंट डिबेट मीन्स, देन आई कैन रियलाइज कि एक्चुअली वट यूवर थिंग्स यू आर सेइंग दिस इज गुड. ऐसा नहीं कि आप अड़ गए तो कुछ मतलब बताओगे ना अड़ने का.
We are giving a
आपसे मैं एग्री नहीं करता कि आप कहो कि मेरे पास मोबाइल नहीं सबके पास है, इस वजह से मैं स्टडी नहीं कर पाऊंगा. मैं ये मानता हूँ कि 70% लोगों के पास है मोबाइल, फैमिली दे रही है तो वो कर सकते हैं. अगर फैमिली से मांगेंगे तो आपकी बात यहाँ गलत हो जाएगी. आर यू गेटिंग?
so we
So
are going
logical.
other place.
आप यू हैव टू व्हाट्स योर यू वाई डू यू लाइक ऑनलाइन प्रीफर क्यों करते हो आप बताइए.
Also I have a put on my
Sit
opinion.
down, बता रहे हैं.
And
Why do you say that कि ऑनलाइन स्टडी इज बेटर देन ऑफलाइन स्टडी? हाउ बताओ.
because online study you can study on the YouTube on in very
हाथ छोड़ के बताइए, थोड़ा सा बांधिए मत. हाथ बांधने की आदत है आपकी. हाँ
very easily. And also if you have any kind of the problem, then you can research on the Google and then you collect your answer. And my dear brother, if you have also every person, every student have a mobile phone, and if you can teach on the YouTube and on the
Akif,
you
you
can
tell
learn.
me, can you learn with the help of online classes English? Can you improve your English language?
Yes sir, if you work hard then I think
Then you
do.
Yeah, how?
You watch the
How
video.
will you actually finish your how will you improve your communication skill? How will you actually overcome your hesitation problem? How will you overcome?
Brother, sister, so you according to me, if you want to watch video on the YouTube channel, if you practice at home and if you communicate to your family, if you talk in English language with your family, then I think you can speak and you can speak English language very easily. And my dear and my sir, also many students have passed the NEET, JEE and much more tough examination by the online study. Then that's why I like the online study.
What do you think about offline? Your topic is offline.
If you can study better in online, but why are you and your team come here to study along with Hafiz sir? Why?
Sister, also
you are right properly. Huh? If you are preferring
It,
online classes, then why everyone
So
going
why
to the
everyone
coaching
come to the
center,
here?
coming here, they are joining, they are wasting money, time, as
If
well
you-
as they face lots of problem to cover a distance.
Yes, sir.
If
Right?
I-
Because online study, that is simple study. By sitting at home, we can learn. Then tell me.
If I have any kind of the problem to join the coaching, then I also watch the video on the YouTube. And my sister, how can you say that what I can do in my life? And I think this is a not.
Whose type of problem?
So if I face any kind of the problem, then I also
Listen.
Yeah,
Listen, if you have any problem,
yeah.
when you join the offline classes, you have any doubt come to your mind, you have to raise your hand and ask the question about
Yeah.
along with Hafiz.
Also, I have to
right,
go.
certain.
Also, I
In online classes, how will you actually solve your problem? Because
By-
many teachers, they are saying, I will answer after one day. Firstly, they explore, they search what kind of actually comment coming, right?
Yes, sir.
So there are many comment under pending in online classes. But in offline classes, just you solve.
Yes, sir. But also you have, if your teacher is not giving you answer right now, then you have a search on the Google. Then you can collect the answer of your question. And my sister, I some in monthly I have to go Lucknow, and also I watch this Hafiz video by my father phones. Then then also I said the online study is better.
Listen, bro.
Yeah.
I want to say only, offline classes is more better than online because when you study online, you have distract anytime because you study in front of a screen,
Yeah.
and then suddenly
Message
you think
coming.
message is coming, and then
Click,
you
click,
think
click.
you
Then I
watch
think you have
watch the reel.
Yeah. Okay.
After you think I only watch 15 minutes and then continue 1 hour left.
Yeah, whenever
So how
people
can you
actually
say online is better than
they
offline?
touch
I
mobile, they start killing their time. All right. Yeah, repeat.
Is it problem of your not online classes?
Because people, they are addicting of using mobile, especially
Yes,
they
sir.
are wasting their time. If they are watching reels,
Sir, I think this is a problem of the that student during the
This is the
during
reason
the class.
mobile become cause.
So you control your mind, you control yourself, then you can achieve. How can you?
When
say
you-
that? Also, many students have to come school, they bunk their period, and they hide for himself in the bathroom side.
Only some aged student, they can control, they can go right way. But if you are young adults,
Sir, I think if you
they are facing lots of problems.
Sir, if you have to aim, I wanna make that person. Then I think you focus on your goal, not focus on the messages. What person give you message, what person send you reels. I think this is a problem of the your and not online study. And if you any person sending messages, then you ignore him. Not only go to repeat.
Listen, bro.
Yeah.
You only ignore him. 99% student addicted of mobile.
That is problem
Yeah,
of the student,
right.
not. Sir, we are discussing
Mobile
to the.
become actually cause. Because why people are saying that you should avoid using mobile more. Many teacher, many actually.
Sir, I think this is a problem of the
people,
use-
you should avoid. Only you emergency time you can use. Just like Corona time. If you have call emergency, now you can call. But if you are using every time, so more chances you can become addicted of using mobile. Even also your mind distracted badly by the mobile. You start watching some horror video as well as some reel, even also
Yes, sir.
some unwanted unnecessary things you start watching. Why? Because you become addicted. People actually, children, they are not watching, they are not studying in the mobile. Whenever they get mobile, they start playing the game. Whenever they get mobile, they start right now using Instagram, many activities. So this time, people, students, children, they are actually killing their time badly in the mobile. This is the dark side of the mobile. How will you clarify, justify?
Sir, we are clarified to the online study and offline study, not a
Give
mobile
some,
phone.
actually.
Okay, sir, I will go.
Reasonable
Also, many students when during the
Size पकड़िए अच्छे से, है ना?
many students during the exam during the online classes, if any friend sending him message, then if he want to collect knowledge, if he want to serious to his, if he serious to his with his class, then he ignore him, then he study him. And it is a problem of the student. If he get the phone, then he use him right side, not
Let's people they start ignoring. But how much they will ignore? After ignoring, but they got one the point start clicking in their mind. Someone is calling, someone is messaging. What happening? What? I mean to say that ki something we are getting disturbed with the help of mobile. Have you any rational point which is actually good in all online classes?
I agree, sir, with you.
Listen,
but
bro, when you on the mobile phone, you can never ignore message.
I will ignore.
You can never ignore message.
You
How
can-
can you say you,
I
you
ignore.
can ignore message?
I ignore.
I know.
The people they go ki what are
Sir,
coming, what
this
are
is the
coming.
problem of that people.
You,
they
you
go.
tell me, you come here, you sit here. Whenever call come, you go outside. Then
Yeah.
how can you say that we ignore?
Sir, when
why
I-
are you? You have also
Sir,
actually
yeah.
contradict in your point. That whenever phone you're ringing, you go outside.
So
Then
you
how
have.
are
So
saying
you
that
give me permission if you have.
I
any
give you
kind-
permission, but you go. Why are you going?
Why are you giving a
I
permission?
also say that ki ignore people. Student, you ignore. If someone is calling, but during study time, during education, don't use your mobile. Why? Because your study disturbed.
Yes, sir.
Your
Yes,
class
sir.
is disturbed badly.
Yeah. And
Okay, you put actually na Zoha, what are the rational and logical point of view? Why do you say that ki offline study is better than online?
Offline study is more better than online.
Give some
Because-
actually na advantages.
Yes, sir. Because offline study is a you have in front of your teacher, and teacher shape your future, and your doubt is clearance.
Yeah.
But when you online study, you saw a screen and then study, and suddenly doubt comes to your mind. You can never answer the question on screen. But when you study in online, when your doubt come your mind, you raise your hand and ask the
I
question.
am not saying, if you are saying that ki
Are you
everybody
investing in
has
another team?
mobile but I have not mobile, तो I mean this is the blackmail side. आपने कहा you are saying that कि सबके पास मोबाइल है, मुझे लेना देना नहीं, मेरे पास नहीं है, मैं इसको समझूंगा.
इतनी 40%
तो मेजॉरिटी
Listen-
देखी जाएगी, मेजॉरिटी
Listen,
देखी
bro.
जाएगी. You said that कि majority actually they have not phone. That is why I am saying that.
Listen, bro.
some person haven't mobile.
Then you can say
Listen,
that.
bro. On the internet,
I have a
they have many type of educational faculties, PW, Byju's, Vedantu, and another type of facilities. But you have to offline facility. Why are you not join? Why are you using the phone? It's your mistake.
फोन हमारा करियर बना सकता है actually.
yeah. If they are not
Also many students, I repeat my point, also many students pass the NEET JEE by the PW app, and by much more tough examination many students pass by the online study.
All right. Zoha, you tell me, you are actually taking the favor of the offline classes. You tell me actually this time people are promoting. I am not. Many teachers, there are many famous teachers, they start teaching online, accepting teaching the offline classes. They close their offline classes and start teaching online. Why? Because listen here, because they are getting more benefit, because they are earning lots of money with the YouTube. Even also they can teach in a 1 hour same time. I think that a limited student, but in online classes we can teach only limited student.
Because, sir, YouTube is a resource of becoming a famous. And then I want to say online is good. I'm not against. It's good, but
Why don't you think that ki actually online classes it is the updated and upgraded version of the offline study? Because in offline classes this is free of cost. Sometime lots of video available on YouTube.
Yes, sir.
If you have internet you can join. Even also you can explore lots of things
Sir.
on the YouTube, on the, as well as you can choose, you can study by your choice teacher in online classes by sitting at home. Because there are many girls, they are facing problem, they cannot cover, they cannot go, they cannot leave their houses. By sitting at home they can complete their classes with the help of online classes, not that online classes, or with the help of online classes, not that offline classes.
sir, almost 99% girls facing the problem to living home.
Yeah, so this
Because of this is the boys. Because of reason, 99% girls they don't go to offline classes.
yeah.
They passing the comment. They untouchability. It's another things doing wrong.
Girls, they are facing lots of discrimination actually.
Yes, sir. Yeah. Yes.
Happening this out there.
Everyone. Repeat, please.
I think it's happening. This doubt in the.
No, no, no.
There is nobody commenting on you.
No.
How can you
No,
say
no.
that are commenting on you?
You're wrong.
बताइए कौन ऐसा घर है जहाँ की लड़की स्कूल नहीं जा रही है?
कौन?
कौन ऐसा घर है जहाँ की लड़की स्कूल नहीं जा रही है? It's wrong, sir.
What?
ये क्या कह रही है?
Girls.
ओके
Girls,
जाती
they are
है, मैं ये
facing
नहीं कह रही
lots
हूँ
of
जाती है,
problems.
लेकिन प्रॉब्लम फेस करती हैं.
You,
कुछ नहीं करती.
1 minute, you stop. Side. You go and search, explore in your houses, in your village. In your village, some girls they are going to the colleges and school.
Yes, sir.
You know.
बस कार को विश
In this bus, girls are not safe.
हाउ कैन सी दैट?
You are not see. I see.
have seen.
Listen. I have seen. Listen.
Where?
Listen. I have seen in Sanjarpur. I think one school bus run away and another school bus. You have to put on a hand on girl's head. Why? Why are you doing?
Repeat your point. Repeat your
You
point.
are telling lie. I am
No,
also
I'm
giving
not
an
telling a
example.
lying. I'm not
he is,
telling a lying.
He is giving you example actually.
No, sir. It's not example. It's the
Yeah.
truth.
Yeah.
Example means
This
Example
principal,
means
this
truth,
principal
I-
come to another home. This principal come to another.
Okay.